Lisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you one of my greatest tips on how to save money on toilet paper. It's by buying this LUXE Bidet, the Neo 120. It's such a wonderful gift. Very practical. I love how it can be intimidating when you're going to install it, but then the company provides the manual in such an easy way that you can install it yourself. It even gives you the necessary tools, so you don't need any plumber. You can do it within 10 to 15 minutes and have that bidet ready to go. I love it for many reasons. First of all, because it allows us to save money. You don't need as much toilet paper anymore. It also avoids clogging the bathroom. If you live in a basement, that can be a little scary, so you always want to avoid those things. And it's environmental friendly, and it also allows you to prevent infections. So this is a wonderful, wonderful item I have here at my home. We love it. It can be intimidating, but I encourage you to give it a try. You're gonna see how wonderfully clean everything is and how much money you'll be saving. And that is just my point of view.